Hi, today I'll be showing you a scholarship opportunity you can take advantage of.
Our funding opportunity for today is from Brown University, their Department of Economics. You may want to check them out, and they are offering about $52,000 to qualified students. Their target students are incoming PhD candidates in economics with strong undergraduate preparation in economics and maths. So, it's about 6 years. This PhD is about 6 years. So it is available to both masters and PhD. However, it's only the PhD that are fully funded. So if you want to get this opportunity, you might want to check them out.
I know you have found value in this video. Drop the comment class and I will send you links to join our free class where we'll show you how you can get up to $50,000 in funding for masters and for PhD. Drop the comment now.